Hey, good morning. Rich here with Summit Life Group. So, I want to talk about the difference between being captive versus an independent life insurance agent. I know this is a question that a lot of agents have is, what's the difference between being captive and independent, and which one's better, and, are you captive? And so there's a lot of questions that are asked around this topic. So I just wanted to kind of educate you a little bit, share some thoughts on it. And it's not exactly a very clear cut type of situation, but I want to kind of explain the difference between a captive and an independent and answer the question of which one's really better. And it really does depend on the person and what you're looking for. So a captive, really what that means is that you are going to only write business for a particular either agency or company if you happen to be employed directly by the insurance company, but you're really only writing for a particular agency that you're working with. So you're captive. You can't go out and write with other outside of that particular agency or in maybe company. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that you're only writing one company, because the particular agency that you're captive with may have multiple carriers, but you can only write those carriers. So that's really what captive means versus independent. Just like it sounds, you are an independent agent, and you have the freedom to go out and write with any particular agency or any particular carrier that you want to. It doesn't necessarily mean that you will, or you have to, or you should, but you have the freedom to do so. And so that's really the difference. Which one is better really depends on what you're looking for. But I'll kind of explain that and give you some red flags that maybe you should look for depending on which situation you go. So being captive is not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, for some people, maybe it's the best thing, the best way to go. If being captive means that you are provided a lot of benefits, and you typically, if you're captive, in my mind, because we actually hire captive agents for us. So we do have agents that are captive, but the difference is those agents are paid a base salary, right, plus commission. They're provided a lot of additional support and benefits, and so it's really for someone that is looking for more of a guarantee, more of a job, and more of a career. In fact, we actually refer to it as a career agent with us that is really looking to work inside of a team. Again, lots of support, base salary plus commissions. There's synergy working with a team, and so it's not a bad thing at all for the right person. But at the same time, an independent agent is certainly what I was always attracted to, which is being truly independent, where you're building a business. Because as an independent agent, it's actually your business that you're building. When an agent partners with us, as an independent agent, I can't stress enough, we want to encourage and support and help that agent and partner with that agent, but it's their business that they're building because they're truly independent. They own their renewals. Every independent agent that partners with us, they own their business, own their business, own their book of business, own their renewals, and they're free to work with us. They're also free not to work with us. And so that's really the way I view a captive versus independent. Where I think the challenges come in, and where I would say doesn't mean it's not good, but where I would pay attention if you're investigating a particular agency to partner with, would be where those lines get blurred. Where you actually are told that you're an independent agent, yet at the same time you're captive. So that's not. I think that throws up red flags where you're kind of promoted that, hey, this is your business, you're an independent agent, grow your business, but yet there's maybe extra contracts that you sign, and there's you're really not able to go out and do business with another agency. Not saying that you need to, but if you don't have the freedom to, and again, you're captive, I just think those situations are something to pay attention to if you're investigating, who to partner with. And so, again, which one is better depends on what your goals are. If you are, if you're working a job and you're wanting to start a business and sell life insurance on the side as an independent agent, you need to make sure, in my opinion, to go the route of, hey, I want to be an independent agent and build my business. If you're looking for a career and a job and you want to sell insurance as really more of a job, and again, there's nothing wrong with that, then being a captive agent is not a bad thing. But in my opinion, if you're going to be a captive agent, it should come with a lot of support. Typically, in my opinion, more of a base type of something that you're getting paid, and really more of a job or a career that you're building. And there's a lot of examples out there of that. So hope this makes sense around this topic. Again, the challenge is there's a lot of situations out there, a lot of models, a lot of agencies where that really gets blended. And that's where I would typically have some concerns. But which one's better depends on where you are. We at Summit Life Group, we support independent agents nationwide. And so if you partner with us as an independent agent, then you own your business. We want to support you. We want to come along with you. We want to provide you the tools, the training necessary to help you grow your business. And we hope that that you like working with us and we can grow and build a long-term partnership, but you're not captive in any way as an independent agent. We believe strongly in that. If we were to hire someone that comes in and works with us and partners with us, but they work as what we call our career agent, then those agents would be captive, but it's a different setup. And again, lots of support in those situations. But primarily we support independent agents all over. So I hope that kind of helps you understand a little bit of the difference. If you are recently licensed or you're already a top producer, but you're looking for a new home, a place to partner, an agency to partner with where you can truly be free, independent, and learn how to grow and scale your business, especially if you want to learn how to sell remote over the phone, then be sure to fill out the link below. We'd love to get you some information. We'd love to just have a conversation with you and see if Summit Life Group might be a good fit for you. So I hope this has been helpful.